In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight blank cells in Excel. This is a quick and practical way to make missing data stand out, so you can clean up a sheet faster and avoid overlooking gaps. To begin, highlight your entire dataset from cell A1 to C6. Click and drag from the top left cell A1 down to the bottom right cell C6 until the full area is selected. When you do this, you are telling Excel exactly where it should look for blanks. If your data is a different size in your own file, you would highlight the range that matches your sheet, but for this example, it is A1 through C6. Next, you will move up to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. Find and click the Home tab. This is where most formatting tools live, including the option we need for conditional formatting. Once you click Home, look for the Conditional Formatting section, which is usually grouped with other style and editing controls. Now, click Conditional Formatting. After you click it, a menu will appear. From that menu, select New Rule. This opens the Rule Setup window, where you choose what type of formatting rule you want Excel to apply. Taking this step matters because the rule is what tells Excel what counts as a blank and what style should be applied when it finds one. After the new rule window opens, you will see a few different rule options. Choose Format Only Cells that contain. This option is ideal for highlighting specific cell values or conditions. It focuses on the contents of cells, which is exactly what we want for blank cells. Once you select that rule type, you will see drop-down boxes. In the first drop-down, change the selection from cell value to blanks. This is the key condition. By choosing blanks, Excel will interpret the rule as applying formatting to any cell within your selected range that is empty. With the condition set, you now need to choose the appearance. Click the Format button. This opens another window where you can decide the font, border, and fill options. For highlighting blank cells, the fill color is usually the most useful because it is easy to spot at a glance. In the Format window, go to the Fill tab. You will then be able to select a background color for the cells that match the rule. Choose a light red highlight color. Picking a light shade is helpful because it shows the highlight clearly without making the sheet too hard to read. After you select the color, click OK to confirm your formatting choices. Next, go back to the New Rule Setup window and click OK again to apply the rule. At this point, Excel will scan the selected range and automatically highlight any cells that are blank, using the light red fill you chose. Take a moment to review the sheet after applying the rule. You should see that empty cells within A1 to C6 now stand out with the red highlight, while cells that contain data remain unchanged. If you do not see the highlight, it usually means the range was not selected correctly or the blanks were not actually empty, such as cells with formulas that return an empty string. However, assuming your cells are truly blank, the highlights should appear immediately. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.